YouTube, this is Delta Airsoft coming back to you with another Airsoft megastore unboxing. I have no clue what it is, but I hope it's my pistol I ordered. So let's get to the unboxing.
I'm Noe. Hey.
He's been in some of my other videos.
Yeah. What's it?
Never cut towards yourself like a noob.
Would do.
So.
He almost cut himself.
And I was cutting away from myself. Ooh, there's a lot of foam.
Ooh, look. Ah, this wars out my powers.
A lot of foam.
It's clips.
Yep. This is my 450 round high capacity magazine, gear wind up. Got some more magazines.
China.
This is my, I don't know which one this is. I'll look it up in a minute. But I got two of those. I think these are like 300 round D-boys. And then my packing slip, I'll make sure my packing slip.
Where the other ones go? The other ones got thrown away, I think.
They're in there.
Oh, they're up there where his crabs are.
One packing slip. 2, 3, 4 packing slips in 2 days. So there might be another package here today. I have no clue. I'll look it up in just a second.
Would any of y'all like this? Dude, 3D. 3D.
Okay. Let me show y'all these one more time. Give me my 450 round passing magazines right here. Say bye, Noe.
Bye.
Bye.
YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. Have a great day.